Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Honeywell Home T9 thermostat and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your thermostat is not working, if it's not turning the heat on, if it's not controlling properly, if it's not connecting to things, if it's not syncing or pairing properly, a lot of these issues can be fixed with a hard reset to the factory default settings. But you will need to set it up again because it will all be wiped clear, which is the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you need to get a fresh start on your thermostat, like it's coming out of the box, we can do this very easily. So on the T9, all we do is we come in and we press the menu icon, and from the menu icon we scroll down to Advanced Setup. Then we select Advanced Setup and select Reset. And then from Reset, there is an option which is Factory Reset. So we hit Factory Reset, keeping in mind once we do this, there's no going back. It will be like it was when it came out of the box. Go ahead and do the reset, and then you can set your thermostat up as a new device.